As a nutritionist, I'm really often asked, how do I actually eat a healthier diet? How can I make it easy, delicious? What can I actually do? We all know the Mediterranean diet is the most studied diet for good health. But how do we actually translate that into our kitchens? I've come up with the new 5 a day. This is an approach that helps you to bring in more of the food that's good for you, which most of us don't eat enough of. Whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, fresh fruit, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Today, I'm joined by Kathryn Bruton, a brilliant recipe developer who's going to help me to turn the science into simple, delicious recipes that you can make at home for you, your family, your friends, that taste so good, you're going to want to make it every day. Today we have a stunning mackerel pâté. I can't wait to show you. So we're making a beautiful mackerel pâté.
Yes.
I don't usually make this, so I'm really excited to learn how to do this at home because I love it when I get it out.
Excited about this recipe because lots of pâtés, you might see smoked salmon pâté or obviously chicken liver pâté. I have an obsession with tinned fish. I think it's absolutely delicious and really, really underused. It's this gorgeous ingredient that's there in the supermarket.
Yes.
It costs £3-4 at a maximum, I would say. You get it in oil, it's absolutely delicious. You have it in your cupboard and you can do so many things with it. But I want to show you this recipe.
And what's awesome about tinned fish is that you don't get that fishy smell. Like it's open, I can't smell it. So if someone's a bit worried about getting fish into their diet, this is a really good entry point.
It's really
very
subtle.
mild. Yeah.
Really, really subtle.
I like your jumper, by the way.
Thank you, I'm matching. Matching. Fish, fish. But what I really wanted to show you also is how you can, again, this kind of theme of abundance, you can pack so much into one recipe, one dish in a really simple way.
Amazing.
So we have mackerel, chickpeas, delicious Mediterranean flavors with olives and sun-dried tomatoes, and then really gorgeous peppery rocket. Yeah. So again, that kind of balance of flavors where you have the oily fish, you have the peppery rocket, it's going to cut through and it's all going to balance itself
Lots of
out.
layers of flavour, and we're getting our omega-3 fatty acids and our legumes in one recipe.
In one recipe. So here we have it's a 125 gram tin, which is how they always usually come. And this one is in oil. You just very simply
take the whole mackerel.
And you were telling me yesterday about the bones being full of calcium.
They are. So what's really awesome with tinned fish is that you can eat the whole thing with the bones, whether it's a sardine or a mackerel or anchovies, and it's a great source of calcium. So, and they're small enough and soft enough not to be an issue.
You don't feel them in your mouth, do you, when you eat them? Okay, so that's the mackerel, and then we're going to do 4 sun-dried tomatoes. For some reason, I just like 4. All the recipes.
It's a good number.
It's just a good number. And we have our black olives. You can use green olives if you want, obviously pitted. We're going to do about 8 of those, so that's 5. Gorgeous. And then we have our chickpeas. We're not going to use all of these. This is a tin. We're going to use maybe 3/4 of them and try and get them all actually in. That one's for you.
Thanks.
We're going to keep some back to garnish because it's quite nice just to have that little bit of texture. And then here's our rocket. We're going to chop it just a little bit before we put it in.
So amazing. So you're actually, the chickpeas are what's giving it the creaminess. So unlike traditional pâtés where you might have cream or butter, the creaminess here is coming from chickpeas. So you're also getting an amazing amount of fibre and plant protein. So I think we should call this pâté the happy gut pâté.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think that's a great name. And can you smell that gorgeous rocket?
I love
delicious. Rocket. So to cut through all that, we're going to have some lemon juice in there. And then again, the pièce de la résistance is our gorgeous bonnet olive oil. And we're going to put about 4 tablespoons in there.
Just pour it in, babes.
Yeah.
Generous.
I never actually measure, but I know what a tablespoon looks like.
I don't, I just...
But it doesn't actually matter.
Perfect. And you know what's amazing about the Bonnet extra virgin olive oil is that it's delivered straight to your door from the olive grove, and the freshness is just...
So clever.
More is more, actually.
More is more, always, always. And then we've got some salt and pepper.
Nice.
A nice generous pinch of salt.
Why is pepper so satisfying?
Grinding it. It's just the sound and the crunch.
So good.
It's so good. Okay, and then the last thing to do is just to very simply blitz. And you can see the colour of the rocket. It doesn't really matter if there's a little bit of texture left in there.
The rocket is beautiful in there.
It just gives that lovely kind of, it's that peppery flavour. And I think that oiliness of the mackerel just needs something to balance it out. And I
Yeah.
think the rocket does it really well.
The lemon and the rocket are
Delish.
beautiful.
Okay, so that's it all blitzed and we're going to serve it, and I just want to show you how we can garnish it and get some extra texture in there.
Beautiful.
So we're going to put it, it makes quite a big batch, but it will keep in the fridge for up to 4 days in a sealed container, and you can have it on toast. It's really delicious with a soft-boiled egg on the side. It's lovely with crackers or with crudites.
Oh,
you
yes.
know, some peppers, carrot sticks, cucumber, really good. But we've held back some chickpeas because I'm always thinking about the texture in things, because I think it just makes everything more enjoyable to eat. So we're going to just garnish with some chickpeas.
Beautiful.
And then finally, a little sprinkle of Zoe Daily 30 or some mixed seeds.
This is perfect, adds even more fibre. And actually omega-3 ALAs in the Daily 30 as well.
Do you think it needs a little drizzle of olive oil?
Yes, always.
Always. The answer is always yes. But just a little, because there's quite a bit in there.
It's nice for the colour as well, right?
Yes. Beautiful. I mean, that's a tin of fish. If that's what a tin of fish can give you, you've got to be on board with tins of fish.
Such a generous recipe, isn't it?
Isn't it so
beautiful?
And again, budget friendly.
I can't wait to try it.
Me too. One of my favourite ways to have this is on some toasted rye. So I'm going to go get that ready.
Yes, please. Thank you. So this recipe is an amazing representation of what you can do to support your gut health. Our gut contains trillions of microbes, known as the gut microbiome. They live in our colon or our large intestine, and they create an entire ecosystem, like a whole world, that exists to support your health. By feeding these trillions of microbes the right foods, you make sure they make helpful chemicals for you, like tiny little pharmacies that can create things like hormones and enzymes and neurotransmitters. It honestly is fascinating when you start to realize just how much power your gut holds. If you feed it the right foods, it will help you thrive in every way. This pâté right here contains fibre, it contains polyphenols, the added Daily 30 gives it that extra boost, and the omega-3 fatty acids found in the mackerel are actually an amazing source for your gut microbes as well. They love omega-3 fatty acids. It's one of their favourite types of fat. They can actually use those fatty acids, break them down and make more helpful chemicals to help your gut thrive. So honestly, if you want to have an easy, portable, delicious snack that's going to power your gut microbes, this has to be it.
Okay, I've got our gorgeous toasted rye.
Delish.
And I just want to show you can have it as it is. We're going to just scoop this gorgeous pâté onto our rye. I like to be generous.
Yes, please. This would be a really great breakfast or lunch, actually.
So good. I love it with a soft-boiled egg on the side. Or you can soft-boil your egg and just slice it and put it on top. It would even be really good with scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
So you can do that as it is, but I love roasted red peppers, another store-cupboard ingredient, which I think is just magic.
I love them too. When I roast anything in the oven, I basically just put a red pepper in there.
Yeah.
It's so it can roast alongside it.
Just having it on its own, I absolutely love.
So good.
So we're not going to use the whole thing, maybe half. Let's slice it in half. And just nice thin strips. These are just all these kind of little flourishes and garnishes you can add to your food that they don't require any skill. They're just little added extras.
And beautiful colour as well.
There we go.
Amazing.
All
Can
done.
we try it now?
Yes, we definitely can.
Happy gut pâté.
Yes.
That's going straight up to the top of my list to make. I'm Dr Federica Amati, medical scientist, head nutritionist at Zoe, and best-selling author. I'm also one of the creators of Daily 30, Zoe's gut health supplement. I teach nutrition to healthcare professionals, as well as advising policymakers on how to improve public health. I also work with a clinical medical team to help people achieve their health goals. Subscribe for easy ways to improve your health, simple, delicious recipes, and evidence-based information. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for regular updates and quick health wins. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. I can't wait to see you next time.